Convert 48 hundredths to a fraction in simplest form. All right, well, 48 hundredths written as a fraction is exactly the way it sounds. 48 hundredths, 48 over 100. Now you may look at this and say, wait a minute, these are both even numbers, so they're both divisible by 2. So let's divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. And 100 divided by 2 is 50. Now you take a look at this and realize these are both still even numbers. So you can once again divide the numerator and the denominator both by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now 12 over 25 you can't simplify anymore, so we end up with 12 25ths. So 48 hundredths, written as a fraction in simplest form, is 12 25ths.